KAHEIM Dixon is off the mark at Charlton Athletic. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. What did I say a while ago? Lose me, I lose it. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good and you are having a wonderful day. In Portmore, morning is hot as ever, as always, has been, will be, and forever. So, that's the case. So, thank you very much again for your continued support, people. Please do hit the like button. We have a small discussion to have here today. We're going to discuss KAHEIM Dixon. And for those who don't know, KAHEIM Dixon actually played Watford this morning. And they Charlton Athletic played Watford this morning. And they defeated Charlton Athletic U21. Let me make that clear. And they defeated Watford 3-2 in a kind of an entertaining encounter. So they actually maintained their position at first in the U21 table. So KAHEIM Dixon featured this morning. And with him featured, you know, say, boy, he must score. That's a must. That's a given. He scored a goal, basically a tap-in. Defensive error. He received the ball in the 18-yard box. Just started to go nicely. We will get the clips. Hopefully we get the clips by later. Let me just, we probably can read it off of the Watford website, what happened, how things went down. Anyways, because I made that read the article. And then he also registered an assist, whip across in the box, and the striker put it away. Now, for me personally, that is a good sign. I do believe that, boy, there are going to be people who say, expecting to the team, the first team. Good thing is that he's now on the bench for the first team, which means that he's getting closer. Because if that's the case, I'm going to keep in a U21 from whatever since making go and play. So apparently, let's say, you know what? Let's ensure that he gets some minutes in the U21s. So you know, so possibilities are we might see him sometime soon for the senior team. So even having him playing in the U21, getting him some match sharpness, I think that is quite important for him. For me personally, whichever route the club decided they want to go with him, I'm totally fine and okay with it because they know what's best at this present moment. Me now come pretend like the boy, me know what is best for the player when the clubs with all them scientific data and the metrics, all them kind of things in this measure can say, you are going, this is what we should do for him. They know me, when I have nothing, not even little ball knowledge, I will come and say, boy, the club for do this, the club for that, him for do this, him for do that. No, I will not go down that route. So whatever the club is doing for him right now, I can give an opinion in what I would like to see, but I have to respect and judge the club's respect and probably say, not judge, but respect and just, we can't find a word to explain. Let's have respect the club's judgment in what they are doing with the player in particular. But for now, it's a good look. I love the fact that he's back on the pitch playing some football, and I love the fact that on his debut, that is what he provides. It goes to show that the quality that he's actually bigger than the U21 level. So first game, goal and assist, basically a showcase. Yeah, truly, really and truly, should I be here? No, but I'm here because you put me here, but I'm going to show you the reason why I shouldn't be here. And that's what he did. So, according to all the reports, he performed well, played actually quite good. So, let's see how this one materializes. So, that means that things are happening. And I love the fact that things are happening. Things are happening now, people. So, that's a good look. Anyways, that's a quick update for you guys. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again soon later, whichever time you're at. Just look out for more videos. You know what I mean? MG Sports TV, we're out. God bless. Boom. As soon as we get the video, people, you don't know, we get the video and probably do our next video again. Anyways, people, God bless. Enjoy your Sunday. Boom. Now I mean, we're out.